All right, we out here, Beyond Limits car show. We got the Maserati out here, and we got two Maseratis. We seen this one yesterday at driving. He sold us, pulled over. But this thing is beautiful. Look at this thing. Got this see-through hood on this car. Oh, it's a whole carbon front end. This thing looks sick. VR4. Sick. Got my boy Skyline over here. Oh yeah. Let's get it. This place is sick. Sheesh. Nice 370 over there. Got Code Customs 300. Sheesh. Beyond Limits. Make sure you guys follow them. BRZ. Couple nice cars out here. Look at this thing. Supercharged. Sheesh. Love it. So sick. Just got a GT4 that rolled up. Oh yeah. This thing's fresh. Oh yeah. It's got the roll cage. So clean. Manual. Can't go wrong with this. Let's go. Sheesh, look at this F350. Slam. Oh my God. This thing's fresh. Insane. There he is. Zero Limits. Or Beyond Limits. Beyond Limits. My bad.
You having fun?
Yeah? Sheesh. Sheesh. Thing's fresh. Let's see what it is. Look what you want. This thing sounds boosted too. Yeah, it is boosted. Sick car, bro. It's a Honda? Nah. Ecotec, alright. Sick.
Oh boy.
We got this hot rod. Looking fresh. Sheesh. Make sure you guys follow Drivers Evolve. They got out here lots of merch. Lots of Hot Wheels. Sheesh. They got the Ranger and their Corolla. Oh yeah. Let's get it. All right, which car will you choose? The McLaren Grand Sport or Gran Turismo, or the Maserati MC20? This thing is ridiculous. Look at the interior on this. But I have kids, so I have to own this one. Comment below which one would you like, the Gran Turismo or the MC20. Let's get it. Sheesh, look at this thing. Lifted. Now that's a lift. Look at those wheels. Sheesh. Lots of work. So cool. Insane. Look at this. Heavy duty. It's like a tank. Bags. The frame was painted. So sick. Show worthy. Definitely show worthy. Look at the spikes on the wheels. So sick. That exhaust though. So sick. And you know rust getting in this thing. Sheesh. Let's get it, guys. Comment below if you guys like lifted trucks and you want this one. Sheesh. Got the Lightning McQueen R1. Sheesh. This thing's sick. Oh yeah. Let's get it. All right. Walking into this. It's like a car storage place. This thing's cool. Look at this. The mystery machine. Scooby-Doo's. Sheesh. This thing's amazing. Oh yeah. We got so many cars in here. Ooh, we got the Batmobile too. Get back to that in a second. We got a Ford. Another Shelby. Shelby's, they're Shelby's. NASCAR. Couple bikes. Oh yeah. This place is cool. Sheesh. We got the Batmobile here with Batman on it. Mini Batmobile. Got a crate engine over here and transmission. This place is cool. Got a dinosaur. Raymon's kissing the dinosaur. Look at this Batmobile right here. This thing is so sweet. Never seen this before. Holy cow, it's got an engine in it too. This thing runs and everything. This thing is crazy.
Can you actually drive this?
Yeah. This thing's insane.
This is massive.
Hold on. Dang. All right, there's another Batmobile. Oh, we got a golf cart here. Looks like a Trans Am. And we got the old school Batmobile. Sheesh. Don't get in there. This thing's insane. Turbocharged. It's drivable as well. Insane. This thing's cool. Let me see if I fit through this. Oh, yes, I fit right through it. Insane. Call me Batman. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. Better look at the cockpit. Insane. This thing's cool. Where all my Batman fans at? Let's get it. This is another Batman car, but it's a race car. When Batman went through the track. 502 injected. So sick. Look at the supercharger on that. That setup is sick. Never seen anything like it. Holy cow. So sick. Sheesh. Insane. Cockpit. Oh yeah. Got some more old school cars over here from back in the day. People only that had money would drive these. That's insane. Sheesh. I like this one actually. This thing's fresh. This is where you carry your luggage. That would be your trunk over here. And this thing's a truck actually. Wow. So sick. This thing. Holy cow. Sheesh. Let's check out the engine on this one. How shiny it is. Interior on the truck. Engine. So clean. And then this thing. This thing looks like the one from 101 Dalmatian. That one crazy lady used to drive, the witch. Sheesh. Insane. Let's go look inside the Scooby-Doo. Ooh, Rolls Royce, Bentley, and the Mystery Machine. Let me see. Is this one of your favorite ones?
Yes.
Whoa, party time.
Look at Scooby up top of it.
Oh yeah, this thing's cool. It's the old school. This is the second one we've seen in this place. We got the back of it. Insane.
Whoa.
Look at the disco lights. Let's party.
Can I see?
Hold on. I will. Sheesh. Insane. Alright, we got dinosaurs. Cars that are dinosaurs as well. We got this GTO. This fast Mustang. So many sick cars over here. Look at this thing. GTO convertible. Sheesh. Raymond, come here. Nice GTO. This yellow joint. Manual. 442. Insane. Backstage. Thunderbird. Old school Thunderbird. This thing's amazing. Look at the gauges, how they used to have them. Sheesh. So sick. The Grinch cart over here. So cool. Got this Chevrolet Caravan 95. So cool as well. That's where you shove the kids back there and just let them fight it out. Sheesh. Got a Corvette C4, 2 Corvette C4s. Insane. And then what else we got over here? We got a Bronco, old school Bronco. I used to love these trucks. I still do. These things are worth a lot of money now. We got this Chrysler, this Pontiac Thunderbird, and this SSR Chevy truck. It's got the LS in it. It's got this thing come in manual. They only came in automatic. Pretty cool trucks. I like them back in the day. SSR. And then this Trans Am. Insane Trans Am. Make sure you guys follow them and visit them online if you guys want to purchase a car. Let's get it. You got this McLaren SLR. That's a Mercedes. I don't know why it said McLaren in the side. I knew it was a Mercedes though. SLR. It's got the McLaren symbol on the side. I don't know if someone can explain that. This thing's cool. Sheesh. SLR Mercedes. With the doors to go up. Convertible. Insane. Let's get it. Sheesh, we got a GTR that just rolled up. I like GTRs. I need to get myself a GTR. This thing's sick. Oh yeah, she's worked. Insane. Alpha. Yeah, it's twin turbo.
Is yours?
Nah. I wish.
You said I would.
Sheesh. About to head out. Sheesh. MC20's leaving. This thing's sick. Let's go. Yeah, watch out. Insane. puppy. Sheesh, this thing's fresh. Nice Mercedes. Insane. Hey, Pop. Oh, yeah.